Our second exercise today on Fix Your Form Day is step-ups. First things first, find a platform that is not too high and not too low. If you are struggling to get to the bottom, it's too high. If you are easily tapping the ground, it is too low. So find something that is the perfect height. Secondly, pick your weight. Yes, we are going up in weight. It doesn't have to be super heavy because the movement is all in the foot and not the actual weight. The third thing, forgive me, this is our last exercise, so we are a little bit winded, so let me catch my breath. The idea of a step up is to have the weight in your front foot. You want that back foot to act as a kickstand to get you back up. We are not pushing off of that back leg. We are keeping the weight in our front foot, using that left hip flexor to take you back up and back down. If you want to focus on your glutes, you are going to lean your torso forward. If you are focusing on your quads, you're going to lower straight down. I think I got everything. Now it's time to demonstrate. Baby, I'm tired. And this is 66 pounds in my hand. Perfect. I forgot to let you guys know to find something to hold on to for support. If you are choosing to do your step-ups without assist, that means either A, your ankle mobility is out of this world, or 2, you're a dummy. All right, Will, it's your turn. We're done with that.